వి గోల్డ్ ట్రస్టెడ్ గోల్డ్ బయర్స్ తాకట్టులో ఉన్న బంగారాన్ని విడిపించి ఈ రోజు ఉన్న మార్కెట్ ధరకే కొనబడును. మరిన్ని వివరాలకు సంప్రదించండి 77107720.
I can say that AC Andhra Cricket Association has been really invested in women's cricket. It's been a year that I'm associated with Andhra Cricket Association, looking after women's cricket here in the state. And I've been given a free hand to sort of put my ideas and thoughts into, and my experience also into the workings of women's cricket here. And I was so happy when Chutney got picked for the Indian team and she came back with the trophy. This is just the beginning, and I hope that we churn out many more players from this part of the country so that they can go and represent India. We do have few players, like we have Shabnam also who's been part of the under-19 two editions of the winning team, and then we have few girls who are coming up the ranks. They are into challengers. So in terms of the support, even the state government, like Lokesh ji has been very positive about women's cricket and the interaction that we had. We managed to have an interaction with the Indian team before they got into the World Cup, and whatever the players addressed, most of it Lokesh ji managed to do and get it done along with, in collab with ACA. So there are so many people who take opinions, take suggestions, but never really materializes. But here it is, everything is gets into action, and it is so good to see that there are people who are very keen to promote women's cricket. And now with this momentum we like to build on it, because we're trying to get certain things in perspective, like the grassroots level. That is something even which is very close to me. I've been a product of starting very young, and which I shared with Lokesh ji, and he's also very keen to sort of get something going in that perspective. Like we want more girls to get into sport, get into cricket. So we're trying to get something work out where girls have access to sports facilities very young, and they don't really have to struggle. And we'll try and give them this accessibility, the assistance that is required, the support from the government, from ACA, so that all the girls who have passion for sport don't require to sort of migrate anywhere else, but it is within Andhra.
मैम, जो साउथ का और नॉर्थ का कुछ फर्क दिखा जा रहा है कि साउथ का जो प्लेयर्स है सबसे ज्यादा मतलब सेलेक्ट हो रहा है और नॉर्थ में बहुत ज्यादा कम हो रहा है, उसके लिए आप क्या बताना चाहेंगे?
सिलेक्शन तो मेरे हाथ में नहीं है, आई एम नॉट अ सेलेक्टर, लेकिन मुझे नहीं लगता है कि ये चीज़ें अभी डिस्कस करनी चाहिए, बिकॉज ये जो मोमेंटम है ये टीम ने काफ़ी अच्छा किया है, और जीत का मोमेंटम है, माहौल सेलिब्रेशन का है, तो उस दौरान हमें ये चीज़ें लानी नहीं चाहिए. मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता है. ऑफ कोर्स हो सकता है टीम में आपको रिप्रेजेंटेटिव कम हो, लेकिन जब वो इंडिया खेलते हैं तो हम एक कंट्री हैं, हम ये नहीं देखते कि कौन कहाँ से आता है. अगर वैसे हम देखे जाए तो फिर वो स्पोर्ट्समैन स्पिरिट नहीं है. तो जब आप इंडिया के लिए खेलते हैं तो सारे स्टेट्स इंडिया के अंडर ही आता है, तो वो भले ही वो कहीं से भी हो, अगर वो इंडिया के लिए खेल रहे हैं, ये गर्व की बात है सबके लिए.
मोदी जी ने क्या कहा?
में बात की है, तो द इंटरेक्शन वाज वेरी नाइस एंड वेरी पर्सनल इज व्हाट शी फेल्ट. थैंक यू.
లోకల్ టు గ్లోబల్ న్యూస్ అట్ యువర్ ఫింగర్ టిప్స్. మీ చేతిలో ఒక ఆయుధం. డౌన్లోడ్ రా టీవీ యాప్. మీడియా లెజెండ్ రవి ప్రకాష్ ఈస్ బ్యాక్.